Portable changing station changing mat with BioHCHILD is one of the best baby diaper changing kits products. It takes just one dirty diaper to ruin a perfectly good day. You're out with the family having a good time, but your baby starts crying for no apparent reason. By the sound of the crying, and maybe even the smell, you already know that it's time for a diaper change. You look around, but there's no changing station in sight. There's a restroom, but you quickly realize how unsanitary it is. In the end you get that diaper changed, but not without an unnecessary struggle, and a whole lot of crying. Sometimes a diaper change can make bringing the baby out for family day more tiring than relaxing. Don't let a soiled diaper spoil your day. Bring the Old Child Diaper Changer Pack on your next family outing. When there's no changing station in sight, the manufacturer's convenient kit doubles as both a diaper changing station on any table or surface, and a bag for your baby's supplies. Its compact size fits in your stroller or bag, making it perfect to bring whenever the family is out. The manufacturer's baby accessories are also made with materials 100% safe for your baby. Here's why you should have a changing kit of your own: a clean surface for your baby's safety and protection on sanitary public areas, multiple pockets for easy access and storing your baby's supplies, a soft, white, waterproof surface for extra comfort for your baby, and effortless cleaning on the go. 100% money-back guarantee. Enjoy your family outings even more. Have your own portable changing station wherever you go. Add the Old Child portable changing pad to your car now. Change diapers anywhere. Make going out and traveling with your infant a convenient experience with your very own foldable changing mat. Its compact size makes it easy to hand carry, strap to your stroller, or fit into your bag. Keep your baby safe from dirt. Give your kids a safe and clean space to lie when you change their diapers in public. Made with safe materials, the manufacturer's pads are soft and comfortable, with ample room for your baby to relax. Easy to clean, never worry about making a mess in public again. The manufacturer's changing kits are made from a fully waterproof material, making them really easy to wash at home and wipe in public. Large pockets, a front pocket for your essentials, a large compartment for diapers, and ample space for your other supplies like wet wipes makes the manufacturer's diaper changing bags extra handy. A one-all place for all your baby supplies? 100% money-back guarantee. The manufacturer promise quality and satisfaction in all the manufacturer's products. If you are not satisfied or find any defects, please let them know, and we'll give you a full refund.